I watched this guy, he's up in New Hampshire, and it's called Lumnah Acres. He's got this cute little Kubota tractor. He's so proud of it. It is kind of neat, but anyway, one thing he does is kind of cool. He videos himself walking to his tractor and starting it up. And I don't know about you guys, but something about the sound of a diesel starting, it's just cool. So here goes. See that hive there is doing orientation flights. Lots of bees up in the air, and the sun just hits them all as they're flying around. Anyway. Check this hive out. Another hive doing some orientation flights or cleansing flights. I don't know what you call it, but they all come out at the same time. It's pretty cool. One behind it's doing the same thing. A certain time of day they do this. That's the thunder hive there. Thunder Queen's in there. She's kicking them out. I don't know if you can see all the bees in the air. It's something else. I guess you got to be a beekeeper to appreciate that. So that was my tribute to Lumnah. If you want to see some other cool tractor action, not that that was cool what I just did, but there's another guy I like to watch, and he's got some tractor stuff going on. That's Okie Rob. He's got these cool old farmalls, and he doesn't ever change implements. He's got a tractor for every implement he needs. Anyway, check him out. He does awesome garden stuff, tractor stuff, fixing stuff, you name it. Okie Rob does it. He's a handy guy. I enjoy watching his videos too. Catch you later.